guys, I'm Zikri and I'm Zafi, and today we're unboxing zest, Achilles and xiphoid Excalibur. And this is the A squad. Let's check it behind. Alright, we have the A gear, zest, Achilles, chain phoenix, and I don't know what this is. The driver has 4 modes and this bay have 48 modes, and that's all. This one shows the stickers, the pieces, and its gimmick. Up here shows its gimmick too. This is how Boo works. It's like dynamite too. This is the assemble. Split 3 pieces. It comes with a launcher. Now let's unbox. We will go on a quick montage. Done. Alright, let's see what I got. I got the bay, xiphoid Excalibur. It's stuck in some tape, and the launcher. It looks way much cooler. And when we finish unboxing, we'll do a better. So I hope this video reaches to 1K likes. Alright, now let's do this. Here's the Reaper, the grabber, the launcher, and the rest of the piece. Moving to Zikri. Alright, this is what I have. I have the A gear, this bit, and the changer. And the second one, I have chain phoenix, this disc, and this. And now I have zest Achilles. The zest Achilles disc, a legal, and the driver. Now we're going on a quick montage to putting on the sticker. You may rip it off first. I'll be back in 1 sec. I'm back. Right, launcher's done. Let me assemble this launcher. Let me open the launcher first. To find the hole. Found the hole. Yeah! Alright, launcher complete. Now time for the bay. Opening the disc. Done. Opening the layer. Done. And opening the driver. Done. Right now opening the stickers. This one. And the other is this even plastic? Because it's just bounced back. I finally found the hole. Right, let's see what this is when it's unboxed. We have the Reaper like this. So I got this is what it looks like without stickers. And now I'm going to put on the stickers. I put right. on to Zikri.
I still opening, but it's almost closed. No, check what I already opened. This is chain phoenix, the A gear, the beyblade changer, the display, and that driver. Oops, I don't know. Alright, now open that up. Now let's open a little. And the moment you all been waiting for. Where's Achilles? One second, let me find the hole. Oh, here it is.
If you want it, it
Here
does
it is.
bounce. But
Look,
it's a little bit like plastic.
Alright, this is what all I got. And now let's release it. This this is all the thing. It's really hard to open it. Wow, it's really hard to open it. Just look at it for now. Now a quick montage. Alright, never mind, not a quick montage. Here it is. That was a really quickly montage.
Hey guys, let's meet Zafri. Hey Zikri, can you open this?
Yeah.
And when Zikri is opening, I will show you the gimmick. It's like, look at. They will do a split second. Zikri, show the gimmick.
Alright. First up, zest Achilles. It can move chain with this thing. See these things? And this hold, put it, and then twist. See? And now the disc is dual layer. Attack, defend. Same thing. If it like this, it's on defend. But if it like this is attack. It's just another same as the right. Alright. Now this gimmick. It have chain barrier that block it. You can hear the sound. And this just don't have a gimmick. It's just full golden. And now look at the A gear. Let's test it on a bay. I got dangerous beryllium here.
If it is not belong on dangerous beryllium.
Let me just put it on and make it in high mode. Wait, no. Let me just pull this out and slide. Oh. You can just hold it and like this. And the next one, this. Yeah, I don't have the bay yet, so I can show you what it really looks like. So sorry. Wait, wrong here. So we'll be out for a sec. So bye for a sec. Only for a sec. We will come back. come back very soon, okay? Bye. Bye. After we done finish putting the stickers.